Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get wavy hair. First, ensure your hair is freshly washed and towel dried, leaving it slightly damp. Next, apply a small amount of a wave-enhancing mousse or sea salt spray evenly from roots to ends. This initial preparation is crucial for defining your waves and providing hold throughout the day. You'll want to work the product through thoroughly to ensure every strand is ready for styling. There are several effective techniques to create beautiful waves. One popular method involves braiding your damp hair into 2 or 3 loose sections, securing the ends. Alternatively, you can twist small sections of hair around your fingers, holding each twist for about 10 seconds before releasing. For a heat-based approach, use a curling iron with a 1-inch barrel, wrapping sections of hair away from your face for soft, natural-looking waves. Proper drying and setting are key to long-lasting waves. If you've braided or twisted your hair, allow it to air dry completely, which can take several hours depending on hair thickness. For quicker results, use a diffuser attachment on your hairdryer set to a low heat and speed, gently scrunching your hair upwards. Once fully dry, resist the urge to brush your waves. Instead, gently separate them with your fingers for a more natural, voluminous look. To keep your waves looking great, consider a few maintenance tips. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can significantly reduce frizz and help preserve your waves overnight. In the morning, if your waves need a boost, lightly mist your hair with water and a small amount of wave spray, then scrunch gently. Remember to avoid excessive heat styling, as this can damage your hair and diminish its natural wave pattern over time, keeping your hair healthy and vibrant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.